Within our One Mallorca boutique, we're pleased to present you with a selection of exclusive properties for exclusive clients just like you. The imposing stone-columned veranda offers the owners a shaded area for breakfast, lunch and dinner by the pool. The main entrance is elegant and classic, style that extends through the decoration of the property. This property is ideal for couples who enjoy social life and small families who want to make their second residence in Mallorca. If you're thinking of acquiring a property in Mallorca and the characteristics and location of this house fits your wishes, we invite you to use your imagination and visualize the possibilities after carrying out a comfort update and home styling. With creativity and style, the value of this house will grow not only in comfort and aesthetics for its inhabitants, but also as a real estate investment. One Mallorca, protecting the interests of our clients since 2013.